Hello guys, today I'm going to replace this door handle for the sliding door right here. So this thing is broken and I have to replace this because the bolt and the nuts fell off. I tried to find the exact one but couldn't find it. And I tried to find a cheap, just like a door handle as well. And this brand is the house guard. So it looked almost exactly, but it doesn't have a lock on the outside, that's it, which I don't really need. Okay, so first what we want to do is just unscrew this. I mean, this screw is pretty much loose already. Alright, so once you get this thing off, just slide right off out. And you guys just slide this off. And from the outside, just come off. Wonder if we can reuse this or not. We'll see. Here's the instruction. We're just gonna unscrew this as well and replace a new one in this. I do not want this to fall inside. There you go. Gotta be careful with this or it's gonna fall right into this socket. There you go, just pry it out. There you go. Here's a new piece. It's kind of exactly match. So that's good. Now we just want to slide it in and try not to drop this. Let's just slide in, right? So you want to use your screwdriver and just put it in right here and then push it in. There you go. And then kind of pry it out. See, now I dropped it. So if you drop the lock when it's in there, now you gotta take off the door and then put down horizontally and try to get it out, right? So to do that is that you wanna take it out and then tilt the door up so the lock will slide up, and then get a screwdriver, run it across the last hole down here. So you can, when you slide the door down or stand the door up, the lock will slide back right here so it doesn't fall. I mean, I should have done this earlier, like put a screwdriver into the socket so it doesn't fall off right here. See? Now it just will stay there. This thing is heavy, just put it back in. There you go. If you don't know how to take off this sliding door, is that on the bottom, right? There is a bolt or a nut right here. So you just turn it counterclockwise, so that way the wheel on the bottom on the track will be loose and you can take it off. Now I'm gonna tighten this thing up. Turn it clockwise. And same thing over here. and there usually two wheels underneath, so when you try to take it out, you gotta put your finger down there and then push it up. Right, so like you have to put your finger under here and lift it up because there's a wheel under there. So here you can see the lock is resting on a screwdriver that run across from one side to another, and then I use a chopstick to try to pry the lock out so that way it can align up with the hole and the screw, and then after that just screw it in. So once you get the top screws in, now you can do the bottom and then just try to align it up. So now you're going to install the latch, and basically you just go right in to that socket and it will line up with the lock. And then you're going to place the handle on first, and basically just align this up with other pre-drilled hole. So this thing is actually the same match with the old door handle, so I didn't have to make any new hole within the sliding door. And now just get the bolt that came with the package and just put it in, and it run across the other side and match it up, and it should be tightened in correctly if you match it up. And that's it, now we're done. So now to do some testing, and if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.